Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Irwan. Today I'll be presenting on investigation on this safety rule violation in high-rise construction project. Introduction. The Malaysian construction sector is characterized by accident-prone works sites by Ayub 2017. Safety performance of Malaysian construction industry has not improved significantly despite the hiring of foreign laborers from Indonesia, Philippines, Nepal, and Bangladesh. Muhammad 2019. Fall, including falls from height at the same level, have among the highest occurrence of rate in construction industry. Abdul Halim 2022. A study using statistical data and court cases identified the causes and behavioral underlying accident in Malaysian construction industry, Chong 2014, and fatal occupational injuries are significant issues in Malaysian construction sector which can interrupt projects and increase costs. Problem statement. Regulatory measures, for example, Occupational Safety and Health Act 1994, OSHA 1994, Construction Industry Development Board CIDB Act 1994, and so on, although have significantly had a positive impact, but challenges still exist due to the size of the construction industry and limited resources of regulatory bodies. Some companies may prioritize cost-cutting over safety, leading to non-compliance. Raising awareness and challenging attitudes towards safety amongst workers and employers remains an ongoing process. Modifying behavior to encourage safe behavior is a key element of a good safety program. Ismail 2012. Focusing on safety violation will give valuable insight into behavior among construction practitioners, thus allowing for more effective safety program. Objectives of this study to investigate the severity of safety rule violation in terms of potential hazard and proportional responses, their frequency, and also the perpetrator of the safety violation. To analyze and rank the severity of safety rule violation, the frequency, and the perpetrators. Methodology. First, a literature review. From whence questionnaire has been prepared, which is divided into 5 sections. Section A, respondents organization. B, respondent. C, severity of safety violation. D, frequency of safety violations. And E, perpetrators of safety violations, and also the gap of the research. Next, data collection. Technique, online questionnaire distribution, and samples are gathered from construction stakeholders involving contractors, developers, consultants, and also the authorities. Data analysis technique, descriptive analysis, or in a IE, mean, standard deviation, and variance. And the tool used is SPSS version 26. And conclusion, rank of the severities, frequency, and perpetrators of safety violations. The results. On the first issues investigated, which is the severity of safety rule violations, it was found that from the response, the lack of fire protection, ladder safety, chemical inventory, and K in handling, and also lack of risk and near miss and accident reporting, lack of proper electrical wirings, and lack of scaffold safety are among those giving the most severe consequences upon if the violation should progress into actual incidents, into accidents or incidents. Whereas lack of building material inventory and care in handling, lack of care in performing site clearance and walkthrough, lack of power industrial trucks, pit safety, for example forklift, and lack of elevated storage surfaces and safety has been deemed not to cause as severe um, consequences as upon incidents, occurrence of the accidents. Next, with respect to frequency, lack of risky and near miss and accident reporting, and lack of log out, tag out procedures during servicing and maintenance activities, lack of eyes and face protection, lack of employee health screenings, lack of health monitoring in the workplace and living space, lack of order and hygiene in workspace and living space, and is considered the most frequent of the violations, whereas lack of proper ethical wiring, lack of care in performing site clearance and walkthrough, lack of chemical inventory and care in handling, and lack of fire protection is considered less frequent by the respondent. In terms of perpetrators, contractor, which make up the majority of the members at the site, is considered to be the most frequent, um, the most to contribute to safety violation as compared to, for example, developers, safety personnel, visitors, consultants, and authority has been deemed to be least of the to have commit violations. In conclusion, the most severe safety rule violation in terms of risk hazard and professional responses were lack of fire protection, ladder safety, and chemical inventory and care handling. The most frequent safety violations were the lack of risky near miss and accident reporting, lack of lockout or tagout procedures during servicing and maintenance activity, the lack of eyes and face protection, the lack of employees health screening, the lack of health moratorium in the workspace and living space, the lack of order and hygiene in the workspace and living space, and the lack of respiratory protection. The contractor was primarily liable for violating safety violation regulation, followed by developers or owner and the safety personnel. More effective safety programs such as punitive and reward schemes uh, may influence positive safety culture in the workspace or in the work environment. This is some of the reference used in this study. Thank you.